Hello and welcome to this very quick video. It's all about the winners. Now, those of you that watch the videos carefully will have spotted that there's two giveaways that we need to catch up on, as well as others that are ongoing. The two that we need to talk about, first of all, was one on a video for the TS130, a little 3-inch quadcopter, fab little model, and that needs to find a new home. The second giveaway was at the end of the very first Antenna Lab video. And thank you to everyone that's getting involved with those videos. They seem very, very popular. So thank you for all the ideas. They're going to continue over the next couple of weeks. Apologies for some weird noises in the background. As you can probably spot behind me, I'm charging batteries like crazy while I'm sat here doing bits and pieces today, as I'm actually getting a flying day in the next couple of days. Hooray! So fingers crossed for me for the weather. Hopefully me and my pal will get out and get some decent flying done before the snows or rain or wind starts. So enough of that, let's go and do the draws. First draw we'll do is for the TS130. So the TS130 had quite a few notifications on. Just be aware that I do tend to hide away the giveaways towards the end of the videos, so I don't always make it very clear that the giveaways are there. In the random comment picker, the winner is Ben Govert. Ben, congratulations, well done. You have won the prize. Pop me an email to lee@painless360.com with your contact details and I'll get that in the post to you. Next one to do then is the antenna pack from MenaceRC that they're kindly donating to the first handful of videos in the Antenna Lab series. So let's go and do that one next. This time there's an awful lot more comments on here. And this time the winner is Dave OP. Dave, congratulations for winning that prize. Again, that is the MenaceRC antenna pack. Again, pop me your contact details at lee@painless360.com. I'll pass those on once they're verified with you to Greg at Menace and he can ship that out for you. Be aware that there are other antenna packs on the other Antenna Lab videos that are currently live if you want to have another chance at winning. Finally, just a shout out to somebody that won a prize at the very beginning of the year. Now this was for this model here. This is the Tiny Hawk giveaway, and a gentleman called RC Pilots actually won this, but I've never heard from them. So this is notice to RC Pilots. You have one more week to get in touch with me. Again, send your contact details to lee@painless360.com. And if I don't hear from you, I'm going to redraw that. So someone else will have a chance of winning that beautiful little Tiny Hawk model. It's a cracking little model actually, and really, really fun. Perfect to learn to fly with. And going forward, that's how I'm intending to do these videos. I'm going to make sure that any giveaways that are done, there is a timer running of 7 days. And if the person that won hasn't got in touch within an entire week, then I will redraw the prize. It's just not fair on everyone else for people to win them and then not to claim them. And that does also mean that I would recommend down below, click the bell notification icon, and that means that when you do go in for a prize, that you get notification when the winners have been drawn too. So congratulations to Ben, Dave, and hopefully RC Pilots. Apologies, we have chargers beeping everywhere now. They've all been quiet while I was setting up for the video, typical. But for all of you that haven't quite yet won, keep your eyes open on the channel. There are giveaways happening pretty much all the time these days, but some of them are hidden away. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.